How to get 16 boxes on TikTok Live. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you may open up a TikTok application on your screen first. And once you open up TikTok, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and from the home interface, look for the plus button in the middle of your screen in the bottom. So just go ahead and tap on it and start with the normal process of how you usually record a video on your TikTok. Just go ahead and then do that. And then once you do that, you should be finding this. Now from here, you may scroll right and look for the live option. It may also be on left depending upon your device. So look for the live option. And then once you go ahead and look for live, just go ahead and go live from your screen in order to start a live on your TikTok. So go ahead and start up a live and you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do is simply look for the guest option from your interface right here on your live. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then from there, go ahead and tap on go live together. And you should be finding a gear icon right beside it. So just go ahead and tap on it. So once you go ahead and tap on that, you may look up for this maximum number of guest option. So right now we have the maximum 8, but depending upon the region and country, we have the option provided by TikTok, which is 16 greet on TikTok Live. So if you have that option available, select the option 16. And once that is done, it will show you with 16 boxes on your whole screen. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.